plots and steady scheming. They be hating for no reason. Actually, I know why. Let's share, they tried the same.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kay, and I'm back with another video. Anyways, today is my actual try-on haul. You know, you see me got it on my freaking Missguided stuff. You know, yes. Anyways, before we get into it, subscribe down below and press that bell button. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so I got my stuff. I'm gonna move the camera back a little bit so you can see the whole fix, you know. But yeah, let's hop right into it. This is the bodysuit. I'm trying to get my whole body in there, you know, so you can see the whole thing. It's like shorts and just so cute to lay around in the house in, you know. I'm trying to be more cute. It's cozy. It definitely fits better than what the first things I bought. And this is a size 6 in US. Okay? Because it was confusing me in my first video when I was watching the things. And I finally can do this video because I washed all the clothes. So, I'm not dirty. My clothes are washed. But it's cozy. It's not itchy. It feels good. So there's that. Oh, and here's the necklace. I love this necklace. It's so cute. Well, it's 3 different necklaces, but it's so cute to me. Yeah. It's a bodysuit. Nothing really special for real. I'm not gonna say it's not my favorite because I haven't tried everything on yet, but I don't think it's my favorite. But it is cute. It's still cute. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. It's still cute. On to the next one. This is the little bralette set thing. This is how far I'm gonna go, but I think this is cute. Definitely with the sweatpants, it looks like you already know. Yes. Yes, cute. Yes, and I am wearing underneath it. I like this. This is actually cute. Okay? I'm here for it. I'm here, and it's cozy. Even though I already got deodorant on it, but this is gonna have to come out. I'm gonna have to cut that out because that's irritating. But yeah, that's the little bralette and bottom set. Now we're gonna put the sweatpants on. I'm gonna keep this on underneath to give you the aesthetic of what I want. Okay? I'll be back. Ooh, I really like these. Can you see them? They're real big and baggy. Oh yeah. Ooh, yes. This is cute. I like this. This is so cute. And they're comfortable. Oh yeah. These gonna be worn a lot. They're so big and baggy. I'm gonna have to get some more of these when I get some more money. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hold on. Let's see what happens if I go down a little bit and push you back a little bit. Here we go. You see? Oh yeah, I got my Crocs on. Yeah, that's so cute. Oh my god. Not this on that side. But ooh, it's so cute. Let me get my jacket. Hold on. And this is the little crop jacket, John. I'm making this a whole Sean John fit. They better sponsor me after my photos come out. Yeah. Heck yeah, man. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Molly. Pose. Okay. Ooh, okay. Yes, ma'am. I like this. This is cute. This is a fit. And I can wear this anytime I want. I just love real baggy, oversized things. It's comfortable and cozy. Let's see. Oh yeah. They better hire me as a model. So fun. Yeah, this is my favorite part. Oh snap, and I can scrunch it. Oh snap. Oh snap. Trying to leave it flared or scrunched? I think it's scrunched. Look at that. Yes, ma'am. I like this. This is what I like. This is what I'm going to wear. Stay tuned for these pictures. Let's see what she look. I'm gonna be a model. Y'all seen the weak side. Okay. Well, this is my try on haul. I only got 6 things. And why is this in here? This is so fun. Okay, I'm sorry. Please leave down in the comments which garment accessory you like the best. I just want to know what y'all think. And if you get it, let me see your pictures in it, you know, because I want to see. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell button. I'll see you in the next video.